It's been a beautiful day. We're seeing a few scattered clouds now, but those won't be around too long tonight. We'll get back to mostly clear skies during the overnight hours. And Sidney, Pickwood, Troy, Dayton, right along that I-75 corridor, Interstate 70 from Richmond over to Springfield, looking at dry weather tonight on Live Doppler 2X. And our temperature at Edwin Smith Elementary School in Oakwood, 78 degrees. The wind there fairly light north-northwest at 3 miles an hour. Saw some gustier winds earlier today. And on our WeatherBug network, everybody tonight cooling off into the mid and upper 70s. Still a couple of readings around 80 degrees at Xenia, Wilmington, and also over towards the Richmond area. So a nice night on the way. Our high today only up to 80 degrees. Our normal at 84, 58 the low this morning, so below normal readings there as well. 104 the record high, 1936, and down to 49 back in 1940. And tonight we're looking at the Dayton Art Institute and a beautiful evening. 79 degrees, the wind out of the northwest at 10 with a relative humidity 44%. Dew points in the mid-50s. That's a very comfortable number for you, and it should even get a little lower, it looks like, later tonight and tomorrow. 77 our current reading at our satellite newsroom in Springfield, and a little gustier wind up there now, running at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. And if you like this pleasant weather, our temperature outlook as we head towards the weekend and into early next week, still calling for those readings to remain below normal across much of the eastern half of the country as the heat continues out west, and even over the southern plain states it looks like a little bit of relief trying to work down in that direction. But look at those temperatures looking more like a September weather map here, with 75 at Mansfield, 79 in Columbus, and 81 degrees down at Cincinnati. Then a little warmer along the Ohio River, especially down towards Evansville, Indiana. But look at that hot air out around Oklahoma City, 103, 94 up at Wichita. But you can really see the cool air from Fargo at 69, 70 at Cadillac, and then we have 50s and 60s as you go into the New England states. So a very cool weather pattern for those folks. High pressure is still the story for us. You can see some of those scattered clouds on our satellite view across eastern Indiana and Ohio, but those should, as I mentioned here, dissipate overnight, and we'll be looking at clear skies, even some cool readings by the time we get to tomorrow morning. Now, those low temperatures tonight, looks like we'll see readings dipping on down for us. Bottoming out somewhere into the 50s for those overnight low temperatures, down to about 56-degree reading for us, but 55 at Columbus, and even some low 50s over the northern part of the state. And then as that high works eastward for the remainder of the week, warm air is going to be coming back in from the southwest, and also as we go through time, increasingly humid air as well. Eventually, we're going to see a chance for some showers and thunderstorms move back in from the northwest. That will be as we head into the daytime hours on Wednesday, and then behind that front, more relief for the end of the week. Forecast tonight, mostly clear skies, and we'll see that overnight low temperature head down to 56 degrees. Nice day coming up tomorrow, mostly sunny, pleasantly warm, a light east-southeast wind, and temperatures tomorrow afternoon into the low 80s. Your hour-by-hour forecast for Tuesday: sunshine at 8 o'clock, 60 degrees, 71 at 10, mid-70s at noon, 80 degrees at 2 o'clock, and mostly in the low 80s for the afternoon. Still low humidity is expected as well. Anytime you want to check out the forecast, we've got it for you. WDTN.com. All you got to do is click on the weather tab. All kinds of weather graphics there for you as well. And, of course, Live Doppler 2X. When we have rain on it, you probably want to check it out. Probably not much to see tonight. But then your 7-day forecast there, you'll want to check it out on Wednesday as we have some showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. But then here comes that nice weather back for Thursday, Friday,